If you ask a lot of older people what their first computer was, typically it was a desktop. It was big, it was bulky, it would sit underneath your desk, and it made a lot of noise. Well, desktops and tower computers are not gone. In fact, we're going to look at one today that is really catered towards e-gaming and VR. This is from Asus. It's their ROG, that stands for Republic of Gaming, and we're looking at the Strix GL12. And I'm telling you right now, Strix are not just for kids. This is really a high-end gaming laptop that is also VR ready. Under the hood, you're going to get a lot of power. It's powered by an 8th gen Intel i7. This is one of the latest chipsets coming out of Intel, which gives you up to 4.8 gigahertz and a full hexacore, which is a lot of power for gaming or VR. In fact, it's up to 50% faster than previous generations, which just shows the advancements they've made with the chip technology. Speaking of power, you gotta have a good graphics card, and what this one has, the Strix GL12, has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card, which is super powerful, and it's gonna give you all the processor needs you need for the graphics for typical games that we see today. Also, when it comes to memory, you also have a hot swap SSD tray that is esports ready, because solid state drives are really starting to take over now that the price has gone down. And a lot of people are using it because of the speed it provides. Another thing I really like, and I was a tower guy back in the day, so this is like bringing me back to when I was like 16, is you got a transparent side panel that is customizable with what Asus calls Aura Sync technology, which essentially gives you different kind of light effects. So if you're gaming in the dark, this is going to become a light show and not just a powerful machine to play those games. If I turn it around, I'm just going to show you the front here since we've been looking at the side. It's almost got this ninja-like mask design on the front, which looks really cool, because what we're seeing, especially with gaming and tower computers, it's kind of like cars where people want to soup it up with their own configurations. This looks really nice when it sits on a desk, so you could game for hours and it feels like you are in a nice customizable computer. It's very, very beautiful. Now, these gaming machines start around the $1,500 range, but of course everything is customizable. If you want more graphics cards, if you want additional memory, or even more RAM, you're going to be able to do that to get the gaming machine that you want. If you're trying to become a professional gamer or you're really into VR, this, my friends, is something you want to look at. There are laptop versions, but if you're going to go pro, if you want a big, powerful machine, you might as well just go and bring the towers back, because when it comes to computing, towers are bringing the sexy back, and this Asus ROG Strix GL12 does not disappoint. If you want more information, you just have to go to asus.ca.